It seems like October is the month with the least amount of developer news for me to cover. Nevertheless, here are the developer news for the calendar week 43 and 44. GitHub Actions introduces the one virtual CPU runner for lightweight tasks. It comes with 5 GB of RAM and runs in a hypervised virtual machine. To start, use the Ubuntu Slim Runner in your workflow file. Cloud Haiku 4.5 is now generally available for Copilot Pro users. And the following models now shown on screen are deprecated or are soon to be deprecated. GitHub can now display code quality analytics in your pull request. This must be enabled in the settings on a repository level. These analytics show you an overall quality score and pinpoints you can improve. Presented at GitHub Universe, the improved GitHub app for Slack now allows you to tag Copilot and assign tasks to it directly in the chat window. Additionally, Copilot can now be mentioned in already open pull requests to request changes and is no longer bound to the pull request itself opened. The dashboard on the homepage got a new design, which currently is in public preview. It centers the Copilot input field, shows you your currently running agent tasks and your recently modified pull requests. The feed is now behind a new button on the left hand side. There were a lot of other small but fine updates to GitHub Copilot. If you want to check them out, I recommend you reading the changelog on the GitHub blog. NuGet now allows you to add a sponsorship link to your package where people can support the development of your project. Currently the only approved sponsorship platforms are GitHub Copilot, Patreon, Ko-fi, Open Collective, Tidelift and LibrePay. You can enable this link in the package options. Next week is .Net conference. If you're interested in .Net, I recommend you not missing out on this free online event. If you are an extension developer or user of Visual Studio, there is good news. Visual Studio 2026 will stay backwards compatible with Visual Studio 2022. No additional actions are needed, neither on the user side nor on the developer side. If you're using agent mode in the Copilot chat, Copilot is now able to create temporary files containing something like an implementation plan so that the AI model does not lose track implementing your requested feature. And 2 other things in the ticker. JetBrains introduced Matter, an AI development companion for product teams. People can collaborate on this platform over AI. You can now connect to your Azure subscription via an MCP server and do various tasks like query databases and manage storage with the use of natural language. That's already it for this week. Leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe so you don't miss next episode, and see you next time.